More progress with GebWMS. I'm gonna show you a few things today. First of all, look up the product I'm gonna be demonstrating stuff on, and there are some cool things that have been implemented. First, however, I'm gonna put in some eaches. I got the location in my clipboard, very nice. Okay, so I should have some here, yes, 7 eaches in this location. I can look it up, and these are damages for argument's sake. And recent activity also shows me that exact same action. Very good. So I have a new well, I re-implemented the entire access control, so it's super detailed for this kind of system, that is. It doesn't do much yet, you can't really manage them, but I'm thinking to use like drop downs for every single menu. However, that might change. I might be using a table. The interesting bit, since I got the user Matt, who doesn't have all the access, pay attention to what happens when Matt logs in. Okay, so Matt is logging in, and let's say he's not the super user. He's gonna be a something like, I don't know, manager or something. So as you can tell, he doesn't have all the features straight off the bat. So if he looks up Nutella 350, as you can tell, he can't click on this location to see what's actually in the location because he doesn't have the location search enabled for him. So he can't do certain things, and certain functionality that links to that particular menu is gone from the system. Also, he cannot add any products, he can only update stuff. The same goes for warehouse locations. Well, not the same. He has no editing power here. He can just read and have a look at which locations do what. I probably should remove this entire section and just make this the whole width, since this is a read-only now ability. What I've done, each menu has a enabled, which means you can access it and read it. It has a, yeah, there'll be nothing from Matthew. It has a ability to add flag, ability to update, and ability to delete. So yeah, I think thanks to that, I will be able to have some fine control over an individual role of each user. So there are no presets, but templates will exist. Because I'll create some just for people to make it easy for them. So you can see again the location here, since it's actually enabled. Obviously administrator has all the features, but it's enabled, so I am able to do a actual lookup. So if I just state the location and jam it in here, yeah, same screen, so you know I'm not lying to you. So yeah, I think that's kind of cool. I had to redo all the code underneath and figure out what would be the best way to do it, and I think I found it. And I am redesigning how menus are also being shown. So a few changes lately. Once I'm done with the users bit, although I don't think I need to now because it's working, the backend is just no management tool for it. I can focus on how to fulfill an order, as in the picking list, something basic, and then I can maybe work on other fancier stuff. Yeah, English doesn't work. Okay, alright, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Cheers.